Today we are talking about transition words. When you string the best words in the best order and the best sentences in the best order, you are creating great paragraphs. Connecting those paragraphs means you need to focus on two things: the topic of your next paragraph and the last sentence of the paragraph before it. Transition words are similar to conjunctions in that they join things together. In this case, they join paragraphs together. They're like bridges. Now I've invited Nicky, Fifth, Wanda, and T-Bone to join me in discussing transition words. Hi guys.
Hi Mom.
Hi Mom.
I'm Mrs. A. How are you?
Very good. I'm so glad you could be here today. So since you are all seasoned writers, let's share some of the transitions you enjoy using.
Since transition words move your story from one paragraph to the next, some good ones to keep handy are as soon as, at first, later, before, meanwhile, suddenly, afterwards, soon, and then. They also help you keep your story in the order of how things happen.
I like transitions that describe places in a story that move. I use things like around the corner, across the street, in the kitchen, near the park, in front of the school, and behind the car when I start a new paragraph. Sometimes I use Wanda's meanwhile and I say something like meanwhile in the kitchen to start a new paragraph.
Those are both great ideas.
I'm with Wanda.
What a surprise.
No, really. I like to keep things in order of how they happen. I watch a lot of detective shows, and one day I want to be a witness for something. If it ever happens, I'll be ready, because I'll use words like first, second, third, following, after, yesterday, today, tomorrow, next week, before, later, finally, and following.
You use transition words so one day you can be a witness?
So one day I can be a star witness. All of the great cases have them.
Well, it doesn't matter why you are using them. The fact is you're using them, and that's wonderful. Now keep in mind, these aren't the only transitions. There are many, many more. Just use a variety of transitions to connect those paragraphs and your writing will really improve.
Remember, using transition words is as easy as sailing in a rowboat.
You need a sailboat to go sailing.
Not if it's really, really, really windy. Then any boat will start moving. My uncle does it all the time.
Okay. So, from Nicky, Fifth, T-Bone, Wanda, and myself, we would like to thank you for joining us today, and we wish you happy writing.